So friends, here exercise 10.3. Can a polyhedron have four its faces? A polyhedron is bound by four or more than four polygonal faces. It means to say that minimum four polygon faces are required to form a polyhedron. Suppose here it is given three triangle is a question. So three triangle is possible? No, it is not possible that a polyhedron has three triangles for its faces. Minimum three नहीं चलेगा, minimum four required, four or more. Same way for four triangles. So yes, four triangles can be the faces of a polyhedron. And a square and four triangles means 1 plus 4, okay, means 5 polygons are there. So yes, it is possible. Yes, a square and four triangle can be the faces of polyhedron. Question number 2. It is possible to have a polygon with any given number of faces? Yes, it can be possible only if the number of faces is more or more than 4. Okay, polyhedron कब बन सकता है? इस minimum 4 or more than 4. Now fourth question, which are prism among these following? So four figures are given to us, and from this four figure we need to identify which is prism and which is not considered under a prism. So first of all, we can see that this is a pointer shape. Okay, it is a nail. So it's all these sides are meeting at one point. So prism, it is not a prism, it is a pyramid type. And this table is also considered because it meets at the same vertex here also. So this is also not a prism, it is a pyramid. Here it's all vertices does not meet at a point, so it is a prism, and here also it is a prism. So this way I have just written, since the prism is a polyhedron having two of its faces congruent, उसके ये वाले और ये वाले two faces congruent रहते हैं, having two of its faces congruent and other faces are parallel, एक दूसरे के पैरेलल, इसके पैरेलल दूसरी साइड, इसका पैरेलल ये साइड. सो अदर फेसेस आर पैरेलल, इसका पैरेलल इस साइड होगा, इसका पैरेलल ये, इसका ही पैरेलल है. सो अदर पैरेलल है, तो देन इट इज अ polyhedron and prism. This also I said it is meeting at one vertex, so it is not a prism. And yes, this book is a prism because it does not meet at a one point and its opposite are congruent. इसका opposite जो नीचे होगा वो congruent and other faces are also parallel to it. Now question number 4 of this. So two questions are given. How are prism and cylinder alike? एक prism और cylinder same कैसे हो सकते हैं? So I just explained. Prism, there are different types of prism. This is triangular prism. Okay, we have square prism also. Okay, then this way also square prism. This is also prism, this is also prism, this is also prism. When we increase the number of this four sides है, three sides है, मतलब base is, this is the base, triangular base, इसमें square base, ठीक है, इसमें रेक्टेंगुलर बेस, सो इसमें पेंटागोनियल बेस हो सकता है। मीन्स इफ वी इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ बेस देन सम हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक, जैसे कि 6 वाला भी हो सकता है, पेंसिल, देखा ना हमने, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, तो इसका पेंसिल वाला जो है शेप था, ठीक है। ओके, हम पेंसिल वाला शेप बोल सकते। सो दिस ऑपोजिट, इसका जो अंदर वाला साइड भी है ऐसे बनेगा, वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, बोथ द फेसेस, ये और इसका कॉन्ग्रुएंट, ये इसका कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, ओके, ये इसका कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, एंड अदर्स आर पैरेलल, ओके। दैट्स वाई अगर ये और भी हम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स बढ़ते जाएंगे देन इट विल बिकम इन अ सर्कुलर शेप। तो ये नंबर ऑफ लिटरल्स बढ़ाएंगे तो somehow it is going to be like this, okay, and here also congruent. So two condition, both the prism and cylinders have their base and top, दोनों को base भी होता है top भी होता है, okay, as congruent faces, उन दोनों का congruent faces भी होता है, same होते हैं। Also the prism become a cylinder when the number of sides increase and become base become larger and larger, और जैसे number of sides बढ़ाते जाएंगे तो this will be converted in further into this cylindrical shape. So this is the first question and its explanation. Now we proceed for the second question. Similar type of question is that pyramid and cone are alike. Yes, pyramid and cone are alike or not. So we can go for that also. Okay. So pyramid and cone, ये रखा, pyramid may be rectangular pyramid, square pyramid, triangular pyramid. There are three types of pyramid where you will find pyramid a same common joining point. Suppose a rectangular pyramid also possible. Okay, this one and this one, ठीक है, यहाँ ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ। This is a rectangular pyramid and same way rectangular base, and I can go for the square pyramid also. Okay, if square base तो square pyramid, and this is triangular base so triangular pyramid, this and this. What they are saying, अगर further इसके sides उसके जो ऊपर के pyramids है if we बढ़ाएंगे तो वो किस shape में आ जाएगा, cone. Yes, because common vertex, common vertex, common vertex, and the number of literals बढ़ाएंगे, जिस भी पिरामिड के नीचे का बेस का नंबर ऑफ बेस बढ़ाएंगे इट विल बिकम डेफिनेटली इन अ कोन शेप, ये कोन में बन जाएगा. सो पिरामिड एंड कोन आर अलाइक बिकॉज देयर लिटरल फेसेस मीट एट अ वर्टेक्स. Also pyramid become a cone as the number of sides of its base become larger and larger. Number of sides 3 है, 4 है, 5 है, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 करते करते it will become a cone shape if we increase the number of base sides. Now next question, question number 5. Is a square prism same as a cube? Explain. So this is a square prism, square base, and this is also known as a square prism, square base. Okay, because square prism not always a cube, it sometimes it is like cuboid shape also, not always. Square prism is no or can be cube but not always, because it may be in this shape also. ओके, स्क्वायर बेस है तो दिस वन. Then question number 6. Verify Euler's formula for these solids. The solid is given and faces, vertices and edges are given. So using the formula F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So F is 7, V is 10 minus 15. So 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. Yes, it is verified. Okay. Now for the second also 9 faces, 9 vertices, 16 edges. Okay. So 9 plus 9 it's 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. Yes, it's again verified by this Euler's formula. Both the sums clear. Now we move to next question, question number 7. Question number 7, there is puzzle type question is given and we need to find a face, vertices and edges where question mark is given. A table is given to us. The data is given in tabular form. First one they have given, this is the first one, faces not given, vertices and edges given. So using this formula here, so we are keeping f as x, suppose x hoga, the value of f face will be x. So x plus 6 minus 12 is equal to 2. So I am just changing the side of this, all this, so it will become minus 12 become plus 12 and plus 6 will become minus 6. So x is equal to left hand side to right hand side change kiya, so 2 plus 14 minus 6 I am getting 8. So 8 faces. So I will write 8. Okay. In the second sum, faces are given, vertices are not given and edges is given. Okay. So f plus v minus e is equal to 2. So 5 plus x minus v is equal to 2. So if I keep x here and send this 9, it will become plus 9 and this 5, positive 5 become minus 5. So x is equal to 11 minus 5, it is 6. The vertices will be 6. Same way for the third equation. If I say f plus v minus e is equal to 2. So they have given in the question 20 faces, 12 vertices. So 20 faces, 12 vertices minus e edges is equal to 2. So 32 minus e is equal to 2. अब minus e है तो इसको equal to के साइड लग गया, बन गया plus e. And this I have brought this one. It will become plus 2. It will become minus 2. So e is equal to 2. How much? 32 minus 2, that will be 30. Hope so. Question number 7 the clear. Now question number 8. Here in the question number 8 given that there is a polyhedron having 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices. So let's verify that it is possible or not. So faces given 10, vertices given 15 and edges given 20. So using this Euler formula we find that 10 plus 15 minus 20 is 25 minus 20, that is not equal to 2. Therefore it is not possible and not true. Hope so. For unit test FA3 lesson number 8 and 10. 20 marks. Google exam.